Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Thank you. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. So today's video is a very short one. It's a 10 minutes natural hairstyle. You can do anything. You can even take it to a wedding, anywhere. So it's a natural hair. I hope you enjoy this today's video. Thank you. So the first thing I will be doing is to stretch the hair. As you can see, our hair is natural hair and it's so strong. So I'm just trying to take it in section and then start blow drying it. So I apply oil to the scalp and then spray its protector to the hair. After doing that, I'll just go ahead and start blow drying. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay. I'm blow drying the hair so it can be easy to work with, even if I'm not doing it that much. Like I'm not really stretching it out. I just try to blow dry it so that I can have at least the tip of the hair. So that's what I'm doing. Maybe we could be okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay. So after blow drying it, here is how it's looking like. I'm just going to cut it into three sections. One at the back, one in the middle, and one in front. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. So as you can see, I'm done with this section. I'm just going to go ahead and start applying gel to the hair. This is the gel I'm using. So I'll start by the back side of the hair. I'm going to put gel to it and then secure it with the thread. I'm using this sewing thread to secure it because that holds it so nice. But if you use it, you have to look for someone to help you loosen it so it does not cut your hair. After applying the gel to the where I don't want the hair to be too slick. So I'm just going to put the gel on the base of the hair, like the front of the hair, not taking it in section. I just want the front to be slick. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll just go ahead and tie a knot with the thread. So that's what I'm going to do on all of the remaining two that is remaining. That's the three section. I'm going to put gel and then secure it with the thread. As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend. Okay, so at this point, I'm just trying to put gel on where our edges is. Because our hair, guys, is so strong. Like this is what they call natural hair. Our hair was so strong. So I'm just trying to make all those flying hair slip. So after doing that, here is the hair I'm going to be using. I'm using kinky hair, this expression kinky and natural. So I'm just going to put it at the back side of it and then use this bond to secure it. This bond, it didn't come like this. I made it this way. I'm the one who did it this way, so that's why the shape is like that. Normally it comes in circle shape, so I just cut it into two, and I'm going to be showing you how I did that, so on maybe the next video. So that's what I used. I'm just going to secure it at the back and use the bobby pin to secure it. So at this point I'm going to bring down the hair like you see me doing, and then just try to pack it. After packing it, I'll use the bobby pin to secure it.
This way, I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong.
So after securing it with the bobby pin, here is how it's going to look like. It's going to be firm. So I'm just going to take another kinky hair and then put it on the second ponytail I made. That's the second layers. What I did, I used 2 strands of it, of kinky hair. I'm going to twist it round, like bringing it on her face. Just watch the video, you understand. I'm bringing round the face of her face, and then passing it through her ear, and then connect it to the other side of the ponytail, to the other side. That's the left side of her head. So that's just what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to style it. And while I'm doing that, I will make sure I use my bobby pin to secure it so it does not go in place. That's just what I'm going to do. So at this point, guys, it's just, if you know what you're going for, you just want to start, you just want to keep doing it and securing it with pin, because the main important thing is just to secure with pin. When you style it the way you want, just secure it with the pin, connecting the pin to a natural hair and the fake hair, which is the kinky hair. So you just want to connect it with the pin so it does not go out of place. So that's just what you want to keep doing. I'll just leave you guys to watch, and just watch and you'll understand what I'm trying to do. Everything I did here was just securing with pin, placing the hair where I want it to be, and then I secure with pin. At the end of the day, I'm just going to put some accessories on the hair and then show you guys the finished look. So I hope you understand. I hope you like this video, and I hope you understand this video. Like I said, everything you need is just for you to put the hair where you want it to be, and then secure it with a pin so it does not go out of place.
Why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
I see you guys in my next video. Please do well by subscribing. If you like this video, subscribe.
Why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt
Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. I hope you understand and I hope you learned something out of it. At this point, I'm just trying to put accessories on the hair just to make it look more beautiful, and at the end of the day I'll be showing you guys how it's looking like. Also, I'm trying to trim hair, so you guys know trimming is very important to hair. Any hair you make, you just have to trim. So that is how the hair is looking like at the end of it. So this is her. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share guys with your loved ones. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around to the end. Bye for now. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.